Welcome to Stanfield Road. If you're looking for a single-story move-in ready home that offers a nice open floor plan throughout, a professionally landscaped front and backyard, and is centrally located close to schools, shopping, and just minutes to the freeway, this may be for you. Let's go on in, check it out. Welcome home, featuring upgraded baseboards and high ceilings throughout the house, a massive family room with built-ins, cozy fireplace, and a pretty awesome ceiling fan, backyard access, and a spacious kitchen with plenty of cabinetry, quartz counters, stainless steel appliances, and a center island. Relax in your backyard that's been completely finished and offers a patio with a pergola, grass area, and a flower bed with mature palms. Thank you so much for watching this tour of Stanfield Road. For more information, for your own private showing, give me a call at 661-388-0575. And remember, who you work with matters!